Good morning, students. Today also I am going to solve some problem from exercise 13F factorizations. And I told you earlier also that you must practice exercise 13E and 13F properly. And if you are able to solve the questions of 13E and 13F, definitely you will be able to solve the problems from factorizations. Okay, brother? This is a different types of problem. Different types, which type we have not done yet. So I have taken this just to explain you here. This one thing you see here. You see in the bracket, this one and this one is same. But here, what you have noticed here in this one, C is in minus sign and D is in plus sign. But what you have to make? You have to, without changing the values of it, you have to make C as plus sign and D as minus sign to make all the bracket ones same. Okay, but this is very important. See that this type of problem is not done. How we can do it? Just I am coming here. Please look at me. You will understand. I am going to do here B. What is C minus D with a whole square? Now here, what sign is here? Plus sign. So if I make it minus sign A, then what is going to happen? These two signs will change because earlier plus was there. In place of plus, I have taken minus, and when I have taken minus, so this sign, this minus become plus, plus become minus. Okay, beta? Plus you can write here 3C minus D. Easily you can do like that. Okay, now you may have a question, sir, if you change it, whether the value will change or not. I am just going to explain you these things. Suppose I am taking this, then I rub it. Let's first take this one, plus A, B minus C. Okay, but first you take this. If you multiply, what is coming here? Plus, plus, plus. AD will come or not? Now what sign is here? Plus. What sign is here? Minus. So if you take these two, the result will come this or not. Now, if I have done do this like minus A, C minus D, you do the multiplication, beta. Now minus plus minus AC minus minus plus AD. So what you have been noticed? By putting the minus in place of plus, by changing the value will not change, because when you multiply, let's see here is coming minus AC. Here also you can see minus AC. Here you see plus AD. Here you also see plus AD. So if I put the minus sign also, and then also if I multiply, what you notice there? Whatever sign was there, with then also if you do the multiplication, both the cases the result is same. But to make all the bracket one same, what I have done? This sign I change it minus. This, if I taken it here minus, so this minus become plus, this plus become minus. I hope it is clear to you by showing you this multiplication. Now I am going to do it here. What you are supposed to write here, beta? You have write here let. Here you can write here what let C minus D equal to P. Whatever like you can take it, because all the bracket are same. Now if it is like that, you can write here BP. Okay, so C minus D equal to P. Sorry, P. What is there on top of P? Square is there. Minus same thing A. C minus D equal to P, beta. Plus same thing, plus 3, C minus D equal to P, all P. Now, will you be able to take the common or not, beta? What is the common? P is the common. What will come? BP minus A plus 3. Now, P was not there in the question, so you have to put the value. So here you are supposed to write here, by putting the value of P. Please write it, by putting the value of P. You are supposed to write it. After writing it in place of P, I am going to again what to write here? By putting the value of P. Now in place of P, you write here, but where was R P? C minus D. Again, beta, B. P means what, beta? C minus D. Okay, beta, minus A plus 3. So wherever P was there, I put the value of P. I have done this type of problem. I don't think there will be any problem. Now multiply it, beta. BC minus BD minus A plus 3 is the answer. So I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going to solve the next problem. Now here beta, group them and then you are supposed to it. 4 terms are there. So whenever you are grouping it, I told you this is easiest way to group it. First term with third term. First term with third term. Basically 90% cases if you do like that it comes. Now second term with fourth term. Second term with fourth one, b square. Okay, sorry. Second with fourth means you can arrange whatever way you like. I am just arranging. First I am taking the fourth one. Because here x is there, there is x, so I am taking first. Okay? Plus b square y. I hope you understood it. First one with third one I arrange it, and then second and fourth. But what I have noticed here, first x, so this x one I have brought it here with the same sign, and this one I have given there. Now, from these two you take common, and from these two you take common. And what is the rule? After taking common, if both the bracket one is same, that means your arrangement is correct. If it is not coming same, then once more you arrange it and do it so that you will get both the bracket one same. That's the system. So from here, what common will come? A will come. What will left over? X square minus b square. Now here, from here, what common I will take? Y. If I take minus y, so when I have taken minus, so this minus become plus, and this plus become minus. Here, y. I hope it is clear to you. Now, somewhere some mistakes we made it. I made a mistake. Look at here. Y when I have taken common, x square come. Here y gone. What will be here, beta? The b square will be there. This is mistakes made by me. Now it is correct. Now what you will notice? Both the bracket one is same. Write them one time. X square minus b square, and whatever outside the bracket you write them one time. Now it is not completed. If you do up to here, you will not get the full marks. So this type of problem also you have done in 13E and 13D. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. Yes or no? If it is in the form of a square minus b square, what is supposed to do? A plus b into a minus b, and then a minus y was already there. So this is your answer. So what I have done? I grouped them. How I grouped them? First with third, and then I arrange second with fourth. But when I am going to arrange second with fourth, here notice here first one x square is there. So this x square fourth I brought it here, and this one I have given there. Then after taking the common, what I have noticed, both the bracket one is same. Outside one again. Now this is again is coming in the form of a square minus b square. So anything in the form of a square minus b square, write it a plus b into a minus b like that. Okay. So next I am going to solve the last problem for today's classwork beta. This type of problem also I have done earlier. So I hope you are doing it. One beta. From these two I have taken minus 3 common. If you take minus 3 common, the result will come x plus y. Then here you put minus, then this will come x plus y whole square. Okay. Now when you have taken the common like previous math, is x plus y both the side bracket one is same or not? If the bracket one is same, you can write here, let x plus y equal to a. Okay, beta? So wherever x plus y is there, in place of that you write a. So 1 minus 3a minus 4a square. Will you be able to write it or not? Now it is coming in the middle term breaking way. So what is the coefficient of the highest power 1 beta? You are knowing all those things. Minus 4. What is the constant beta? Plus 1. Multiply these two. Minus 4 will come. Now you find out the two factors of minus 4 by which your result should come minus 3. Here minus 3. So what are the factors? That also you are doing it, beta. Minus 4 into 1 equal to minus 4 will come or not? Now if you add these two, is minus 3 coming or not? So you are supposed to take this factor. So 1 minus 4a plus 1a or only a minus 4a square. Now from these two, if there is no common, means everything is divisible by 1, you take 1. What is left over? 1 minus 4a. Bracket closed. From these two you can take a common. What will be left over? 1 minus 4a. So is both the bracket one is same or not? If both the bracket one is same, write them one time. And what is left over? Write them another time. Same way, a was not there. So you have to take, what are you supposed to do? Now you have to write here, please write it here by, I am not writing, putting the value of a. You must write it by putting the value of a. So here, you write here, bracket put it 1 minus 4 into, what is the value of a? X plus y. Here again, 1 plus, what is the value of a? Again, plus karke x plus y. Now remove the bracket, what come here? 1 minus 4 into x equal to 4x minus again 4y. Here beta 1 plus x plus y. This is your answer. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Thank you so much for today.